Good morning, sir. So, ito po yung design namin sa UAD for final project, e-commerce. So, gumagana naman siya, sir. Menu, contact us, home, contact. So, gumagana siya. For the mobile is, and the order now. So, news, then, so hindi siya gumana. Order history. So, ito, corporate information. So, ayan. So, prototype. Meron. So, ito po yung 30% progress ng final requirements namin. So, thank you.